Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD. And yesterday we discussed about the possibility of Euro USD going down, and we also talk about the sell position here. I got my sell position. Hopefully you got your sell position too, because the quick sell position did a fine job, and as expected, market also took support around this area, and after that we got to see a huge bounce. But this is the 1 hour chart, and if you look at the chart like this, then we can see a big descending triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern is a very powerful pattern, but descending triangle is more powerful in a downtrend market. But here the trend of the market is towards the upside, and we can see a descending triangle pattern. So this is quite contradictory. So let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday one by one. So yesterday we talked about the importance of DXY to cross this level here to continue the uptrend. The level of 103.44, 103.55. DXY tried to cross the level, made a high of 103.53, but it failed to sustain. And after that, we saw price rejection from above and followed by a big red candle. Ultimately, DXY settled at 102.92. This is the last traded price of DXY. So the market opening will be important, because if DXY wants to continue the upside, and obviously it will have to cross this level here, then only we can expect a trend reversal on DXY or US dollar index. Right after the market opening, if there is a drop on DXY, then the next support levels where you can expect the buyers to protect DXY are 102.52 and 102.30 to 102.25. The green box here is the strongest support on the chart of DXY. Before the green box or this buy zone, we also have 102.50. so these are the levels on the chart of DXY if there's a drop right after the market opening. And as I said, if DXY wants to continue the upside, then obviously it will have to cross this level so that it can move higher. So this is a 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and we can see that Euro USD closed at 1.0909. This was the last traded price or the closing price of Euro dollar. And when I drew the Fibonacci, I saw that market closed at Fibo 23.6% retracement level. So the market opening will be very important for us. Right after the market opening, if we see weakness on the chart of Euro USD, and we can expect the market to take support around the next level of 1.0894. This is the next support on the chart of Euro USD. If we see weakness downside on the chart of Euro dollar right after the market opening, usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. As a result, we can expect 1.0894 to provide support to the market, and we can look for a buy. But in case market surprises us, gives us a shock by huge volatility right after the market opening because of some news, then obviously this will not work. You need to understand that not all the levels have equal amount of strength. So this level is present, but yes, it will work when the volatility of the market is low. So if market opens like a normal Monday market, you can expect 1.094 to act as support. If it gets support, if you see the market is taking support, you can go for a buy. On the other hand, the next support will be around 1.0883 to 1.0880. This is the second support on the chart of Euro dollar. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for some buyers to be present. If market takes support and bounces, we can look for a buy. But as I said, usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. As a result, you cannot expect a big bounce, but at least we can expect a move of 20, 25, 30 pips. And on a Monday market, when the market is sleeping, 25 to 30 pips is quite generous. So these are the buy and sell signals generated by Chart Prime last week, and we can see that the tool has done a fine job, except this buy call. But otherwise, we can see that almost all the signals have done a pretty good job. The tool gave us an accuracy of more than 80 to 85%, which is unbelievable. Apart from Market Oracle Pro, these signals, you can also see that we have an oscillator known as Prime Oscillator Pro. Prime Oscillator Pro also generates buy and sell signals. It marks the oversold, overbought levels and also the divergences, hidden divergences for you, so that you can just rock the trading. Okay, so if you really want to take your trading to the next level, you should definitely check out chart prime, because it doesn't matter whether you are simply looking for buy and sell signals or really want to elevate your analysis. Chart prime is a very helpful tool and very useful tool. Right now, Chart Prime is giving a 30% off. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you must check out Chart Prime now. You can also use the link which is also in the description, or scan the QR code. Check out now. And as I said, that overall trend of the market is towards the upside, but right now we can see a descending triangle pattern. Okay, so descending triangle pattern can be a little bit scarier, okay, because it's a bearish pattern, but as the overall trend is towards the upside, so we are looking for some quick buy opportunities. Okay, so these opportunities are only for Monday only. Okay. Secondly, right after the market opening, if we see market going up, then we have a seller's zone around 1.0940 to 1.0930. On Friday also we saw the level working nicely, and we can expect that market will face some selling pressure again, because we have good sellers around this area. So if market goes up and market shows price rejection from above, if you see market is forming shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish engulfing pattern around this area, you can also consider a sell, because this will be the next resistance. And if I zoom out, then you can see the trend line at the top is acting as dynamic resistance for quite some time. So as a result, we are not only considering the trend line, but we are also considering the previous levels as well. So under normal circumstances, we can expect the market to provide some resistance to the market. Not provide, actually, but yes, some sellers present. And you can see here dollar falls on US inflation report. Okay, the dollar index Friday fell 0.42% on a slightly softer than expected US deflator report, which might cause the Fed to be a little less hawkish. The dollar was also undercut by the lackluster US personal spending report. So if the DXY continues the downside, then we'll get to see some upside or buying on the chart of Euro USD. So let's wait for the market opening, but right now I don't see any immediate strong buying or selling. Overall, we can expect a normal slow market opening, and we can trade accordingly. In case there's extreme volatility in the market due to some weekend news, then obviously you should forget about the levels and you should follow the trend of the market. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Have a happy weekend. Enjoy the time with your friends and family. And this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.